Hello everyone, today we make special cheesecake, Basque cheesecake, very easy recipe and wonderful taste. This cake really completely different than other cheesecake and very easy in 3-4 minutes. It's done, then you bake it for 25 minutes. Fantastic cake. If this is first time to watch my channel, I would love you to make subscribe. Please leave comment and make like. First, we make zest for 1 lemon and we'll take the juice of the half lemon. So, the best way to take only the light green skin, and this have all aroma and the flavor of the lemon. Don't take the white skin, just the light one. We have half lemon juice and half lemon zest. The lemon juice is bring up the flavor of the Philadelphia cheese, and it's completely different if you do it without added lemon juice or lemon zest. Just 10 millimeter. Just 10 milliliter, and then we added all the description. 300 gram Philadelphia cheese, 2 eggs, 80 gram sugar, 10 milliliter lemon juice, 10 gram of baking of corn flour. First, with the scraper, we mix to make the cheese soft. Then we use hand blender or hand mixer. Of course, if you have big quantity, you can use KitchenAid or you can use stand mixer. Then we bring the side. We added the lemon juice and lemon zest together. Then we mix. Added 2 eggs. It's really fantastic, super easy. Little by little we added the fresh cream. Make sure that all dissolve together. You bring the side with the spatula. It's very important step, so to have equal part. We take little of the battering or mixture, we add it to the flour, because if you added corn flour directly, it can make lumps. So this is the easy way to make it soft. Emulsify with little of the cream cheese, then you bring it back. That make sure it's spread in the all over the mixture. Just to mix it for 1 minute. Now the battering is ready. It's super easy and super tasty. I just cover it, I keep aside for half an hour before I use, just to infuse the flavor of the lemon. Here, this 20 centimeter cake ring. So this recipe only for 1 ring, 20 centimeter. As you see. So now we bake it 210. It takes 25 minutes. So the whole, because first I bake for 20 minutes, then I give 5 minutes more. So the whole process, it takes 210 degree Celsius for 25 minutes, and you have fantastic Basque cheesecake. When it's cooled down, I remove from the mold, and as you see, fantastic flavor, aroma, completely different than other cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comment. Let me know if you need to learn any more dessert or bread. Have a good day.